Ma'am, we'll now play a quick rapid fire round. So our first question is: Are you?
Will I get a hamper?
We don't really know if you will get or not. Ma'am, are you a morning person or night person? If you were not a professor, what career would you have chosen? Best advice you have ever received from your mentor or colleague? And one thing students should stop doing right now. So, ma'am, we'll now play a quick rapid fire round. So our first question is: Are you?
Will I get a hamper?
We don't really know if you will get or not. Ma'am, are you a morning person or night person?
Night person completely. All my deep work is during the night.
If you were not a professor, what career would you have chosen?
I thought about stock analyst, and I think now I'm getting an opportunity to do both.
Your favorite part of being a professor?
I think being an enabler. If I can enable even one person, one student in my class with a better financial outlook, and they deal their finances in a much better way, and they create a wealth for themselves, I think that's the biggest part I can do.
One subject that you found toughest during your studies?
Law. That was a nightmare. But eventually, I have been teaching it just because my mentor changed it and flipped the coin completely, and it becomes like, it comes out automatically.
Now it's your fault.
Yeah.
And one thing students should stop doing right now.
Students should stop doing right now. Don't waste your time on videos, reels. They give money to others, not to you.
A research topic you would love to explore next.
I'm going deeper into corporate governance, its role in RegTech, SupTech with AI and FinTech. That's what I'm exploring these days.
If you had to describe stock markets using a Bollywood dialogue, which one would it be?
I think it's my perspective. I do remember that DDLJ dialogue where Shah Rukh Khan was telling to his mother-in-law, would-be mother-in-law, that लाइफ में हमेशा दो रास्ते होते हैं, एक आसान वाला, एक मुश्किल वाला. सो मार्केट में भी हमेशा दो रास्ते होते हैं, एक डेरिवेटिव्स और ट्रेडिंग वाला, एक इन्वेस्टमेंट वाला. सो इन्वेस्टमेंट वाला रास्ता लंबा होगा, मुश्किल होगा, पेशेंस चाहिए होंगे, बट एंड में वही काम आएगा. सो आई थिंक that is my philosophy.
What subject you wish schools taught but don't?
I think first thing, an orientation towards law, because it's very important to know the law of land and the basics of personal finance. So I'm not asking them to teach it. Perhaps they can orient us in financial prudence or financial hygiene, but how law or which type of legislative framework should be there, or how law is important for an individual or responsible citizen. I think that is important.
And what's your mantra for personal success?
I think gratitude towards God for whatever they have given. Learning always, because I have learned from my mentor a lot. Being a seeker, go and ask people to help you out, to tell you things. So that's one of many things which I think has phenomenally helped me in making what I'm today.
One thing you always carry in your bag?
Oh, there are very many things. I carry this pin of SIM slot, I carry my home key and a charger and a plug of phone, and there are many things which I have been carrying. I have a bigger bag.
Funniest myth about professors?
Funniest myth? That they are super intelligent. No.
If you had a talk show, what would you name it?
Just chill.
If money could talk, what would it say?
Spend me patiently.
If you could swap jobs with anyone for a day, who would it be?
I think an analyst on CNBC maybe.
Best advice you have ever received from your mentor or colleague?
My mentor, who was also my colleague, gave me numerous advices actually. Whatever I am, largely it is because of following his advices. But the one which he gave me in the very initial time was give your 100%. Give your 100% to anything which you are working on, and then seek help. People will help you, God will also help you. But give your 100%. Your effort should be best of your efforts. And that's what I have followed.
Secret to becoming a better investor?
I think discipline, patience, and persistently looking for strong companies, not short term gains. So play for long term.
Will this be come to an end of our topic professor series, uh, this episode? And any piece of advice you would like to give to the youngsters?
Talk to people. This is nice way to learn, and seek help. You know, take their guidance, learn from anecdotes, learn from movies. They have a lot of good things to tell you in a very simplest manner. And have your group, group of friends, people in your family with whom you can converse, because half of the time I have seen when you have shared your problems with the ones who are not being judgmental, 50% of it has gone. That's all. That was also told to me by my mentor. Whatever problem you have, you find people, who can understand that, from your friend, from your relative, from your office, or lesser from office, because that makes you vulnerable at times. But if they are definitely close, confident, then have people around you with whom you can share, who can tell you what is right or wrong, not your yes men's, right? People who can question you, people who can say that no, no, this is not right what you're doing, people who have different perspective. So that helps you grow. वो है ना एक दोहा रहीम का, निंदक नियरे राखिए आंगन कुटी सुहाए, बिन साबुन पानी बिना निर्मल करे सुभाए. So if you have a person who is criticizing you for certain things and to make you better, don't have toxic people for that matter.
Have the right people
Yes, to have the right people around is the key. So I hope I can be of any help at any moment. All the best.